Pilling Assessment Viewer (PAV). How to replace the VeriVide CIE D65 PAV lamp. Replacing the lamp is a necessary part of maintaining the performance of your VeriVide Pilling Assessment Viewer. The lamps must be changed annually or after 2,000 hours of use. You can purchase new lamps directly from VeriVide or through our official distributors located worldwide. Only VeriVide or our official distributors can provide the correct replacement lamps for your PAV unit, ensuring accurate standardized industry viewing conditions. How to change the lamp. Before starting, you will need your replacement VeriVide CIE D65 PAV lamp, a crosshead screwdriver and a multi-fiber cleaning cloth. Step 1. Switch off the Pilling Assessment Viewer on the unit. Turn the power off at the wall and then unplug the mains cable from the PAV unit and put it to one side. Make sure to allow the lamp to cool down. Step 2. Using the crosshead screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and gently lift the lid off to reveal the lamp and reflector. Place the lid safely out of the way. Step 3. Locate the lamp to be replaced and ensure that it is cooled down and safe to be removed. Twist the lamp 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise to free it from its housing. Safely withdraw the lamp and set it to one side. Clean the lamp reflector with the multi-fiber cleaning cloth to remove any dust or dirt. Step 4. Remove the new VeriVide CIE D65 lamp from its protective sleeve and carefully place it into the lamp holder. Twist the lamp 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise to lock into place, taking care not to damage the housing. Ensure the lamp is secure before replacing the lid back on top of the PAV unit. Now put the 2 side screws back in place and tighten with the screwdriver to secure the lid. Step 5. Connect the mains power cable to the back of the PAV unit. Then put the plug back into the wall socket and switch the power back on. Check the lamp works by turning on the PAV light source using the switch on the right-hand side of the unit. Allow the lamp to warm up for 10 minutes before use. This ensures the lamp is illuminating your samples at the industry standard. If you need any assistance from the VeriVide team or want to find out more about our products, visit verivide.com.